are several settings in your Constant Contact account that you can update or manage at any time, like your organization details, billing information, and more. To begin, click here and choose Settings. The Account Details tab is where you can add or update your personal profile details, like your first and last name, phone number, state, and screen name for the Constant Contact community. Organization details, like your company's name, address, phone number, website, and logo. Account login information, like your username, email address, password, security question, and multi-factor authentication settings. And other footer settings for your emails and sign-up forms, and regional settings, like your time zone and default language. Simply click Edit in any of these sections to make changes as needed. Keeping this information up to date helps save you time in the future when you go to create new campaigns. Things like your organization name, logo, and user email address will pre-populate in your templates by default. Under the Billing tab, you'll see the plan you're currently subscribed to and your payment method and billing information. If you need to, you can change to a different payment plan, update your payment method or billing address, upgrade or downgrade to a different email plan, and view your billing statements. If you have multiple people who need access to your account, go to the Manage Users tab to add additional users and assign them a specific user role to control what actions they can take in your account and what information they can see. On the Account Emails tab, you can verify email addresses to be available to use as the from and reply to addresses for your outgoing emails, as well as your account and billing contact email addresses. The Advanced Settings tab is where you can manage other settings, like the custom contact details that you want to collect from subscribers on your sign-up forms. In the Manage Contact Emails section, you can choose to turn on confirmed opt-in and have an email automatically sent to new signups asking them to confirm their subscription. You can even choose to send a reconfirm opt-in email to your existing contacts to confirm that they still want to receive emails from you. This is also where you can create automated welcome emails for your new subscribers and customize the email that contacts receive when they click the Update Profile link in your email footer. And that's everything you need to know about managing your account settings in Constant Contact.